So we are measuring the time that it takes from the temperature to cool, from the time it brews to a drinkable temperature using 2 different cups. And we make 2 cups of coffee and we're going to let it sit at room temperature until the tester finds that temperature is drinkable. Our step change is from the brew temperature to the reaction with the atmosphere to when it begins to cool. Now for trial 2 with the Yeti.
Now comparing the data from the black mug and the Yeti, we see that the regular mug has a higher gain than the Yeti, which in this case is the total temperature decrease per minute. So the gain found from the regular black mug was 2.23 degrees Fahrenheit per minute, while the gain for the Yeti was negative 1.7 degrees per minute.
The dead time for both of these cases are the same. They're both at about 30 seconds. There's not much dead time for either of them because as soon as the coffee comes out of the Keurig, it immediately starts losing heat.
The time constant in this case was the time it took for 63.2% of heat loss for each mug. The time constant for the black mug was 4 minutes and 30 seconds, while the time constant for the Yeti was 10 minutes and 15 seconds. This means that the Yeti lost heat at a much slower rate than in the black mug.
In conclusion, if you're sitting in class and you want to have your coffee hot for the whole class, you want to drink out of the Yeti.